मेड अ फिल्म उनके लिए एक ट्रिब्यूट जैसा है, जो कि बारूदों से खेलते हैं, हमारी रक्षा करते हैं। तो क्या आप दोनों का, आप लोग का कोई ऐसा प्लान है कि उन इलाके में जाकर के उन जवानों को ये फिल्म दिखाएं ताकि उनका और हौसला अफजाई हो?
से उन जवानों को तो अपने आप ही, मतलब हमारी प्रिंटें वो सब कुछ जा चुकी हैं। दे आर ऑल गोइंग टू वॉच दिस फिल्म। इससे बड़ी बात क्या हो सकती है कि हमने, द होल फिल्म इज डेडिकेटेड टू इंडियन आर्मी एंड द वे दे वर्क। इसमें कमाल का एक मैसेज है। मैं एक्चुअली कल ही फिल्म देख रहा था अपने परिवार के साथ, और उसमें एक डायलॉग मेरे दिमाग में रह गया, तो मैंने कहा चलो आप लोगों से शेयर करूं। वो डायलॉग है कि कहता है, ऐसा क्यों होता है कि हम पुलिस वाले और आर्मी वाले ही आप सिविलियन के लिए जान दें? आप सिविलियन का कोई फर्ज नहीं होता कि आप भी कुछ करें थोड़ा बहुत? मुझे लगता है ये बहुत ही बड़ी लाइन है कि वाकई में पीछे जितने भी पुलिस वाले हैं या आर्मी वाले हैं, कांडो, इनका क्यों ड्यूटी रहती है कि अपनी जान बैठ के दें? सही बात है, सोचने वाली बात है। एंड दिस फिल्म इज, जैसे मैंने कहा, इट्स एब्सोल्युटली dedicated to army and to all the people who wear uniform in our country, just to protect us from so many evil things, and that's it. Okay.
Hi, Mr. Murgudos. Hi. Akshay has said that after working with you, he realized that he doesn't know action because you apparently taught him how to dismantle and reconstruct a gun.
Not him, not him.
No, not him.
He didn't taught the fight coordinator, Greg Powell. गन के बारे में उनको कुछ नहीं पता।
उनको कुछ नहीं पता। But apparently you're the one who plans and
पता चले आपने उनको गन दे दिया, बोले अभी डिसमेंटल करके दिखा दीजिए, and he may just beat me up only now.
No, but apparently also you are constantly, there's no better person than to plot to kill a man. You're always plotting and you have various schemes going in your head. How true is that? I mean, you're this very vicious.
I will tell you. I mean, से आपने बहुत चीजों को, मतलब इनका दिमाग जो है, अगर अभी ये बैठे हुए हैं ये यहाँ इस वक्त ये सोच रहे हैं, अगर आपने इनको कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछा, and he is a little bit free, so he will be thinking about how he can plot to blast this place. So I'm not. Wait. No. The whole thing doesn't get over. Then also at the same time he's thinking how my hero will save it. That also comes along with it because I know him. See, I have sat with him for 90 days. I shot with him. And all the time he comes up with some idea or the other. He's narrated me so many scripts, so many ideas. Sir, you know one thing, yesterday only I thought, please sit here. Sir, I was just thinking, and I was sitting here in the shade, blah, 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 and blah, blah, blah. And I was just thinking, सारा दिन ये आदमी कुछ ना कुछ script के लिए, he's always thinking about some or the other script or some or the other plot. If you watch all his past movies, just bring all his past movies in Tamil and Hindi. They all have some or the other plots. If you see his very old films, sir, when did you make Ramanna, sir? 10 years back, he made a film called Ramanna. And you have to see that film. And I got that rights. We got the rights from him and we made a film called Gabbar now. That is the same film. Beautifully written at that point. At that point, he had thought about how to change the system. How violently to change the system, by the way. And that is, am I right, sir? So you can't deny the fact that 10 years back he thought all these things. I said, this is spoiling your name. Ayo, sir. Sir, you can't say that, sir. I'm spoiling your name.
I'm very petrified to ask you any more questions. I think Akshay, please talk. Would you want to comment on it, sir?
In his defense, I think he's a very peaceful man, a very shant man. See how quietly he's sitting down. He's nothing like how he has described
No,
it.
but he's thinking apparently, no?
He's a very creative man. He thinks
creative is what I was talking about. I don't say that he really actually wants to hit everybody.
Akshay, also was this creatively satisfying for you when talking about creative? You know, you've always been pretty blatant about the fact that you enjoy being the commercial hero and entertaining people. Entertaining people. You've been blatant about that. You said you enjoy doing commercial films and you know how to entertain people. So, you know, somewhere do you think this film, you've always said I select sometimes films where I can have a bit of more, content and entertainment. So would you now also, was this particular movie very creatively satisfying as an actor for you?
It is indeed. It is very much creatively satisfying. and it is not one of my commercial masala Akshay Kumar film. It is very much a very intellectual, interesting Murgados's film. So I think that's the difference between any of my other films and this film.
So Nakshi, did you enjoy getting wooed by the man in uniform? Women usually love men in uniform. Was that interesting as well?
Yeah, of course. I think men in uniform are very, very attractive, and they have a certain authority about them. And this time around, it was nice being wooed by a man in uniform. Yeah.
Yeah, we'll just take one last question from the gentleman here.
When it's said it's the last question, I thought I could put in a suggestion across to Mr. Bitta. Here, sir. The question is to you. If you're aware of it, all the MBBS students, after they finish their 4.5 years of study, has to go for 1 year's rural practice to the villages or in rural areas. Now, I would like you to go and meet the education minister straight away tomorrow and say that everybody who's taking an admission to the college at the age of 16 should spend 2 years of their thing and take in some sort of a self-defense or a defense cell from a 17-year-old child, when the moment he is 2 years in college should get into it, otherwise he doesn't get his graduation certificates. So that could be something where you can really force them, because क्योंकि सर बहुत लोग हैं जो 16-17 साल के हैं who are interested in doing all this thing but they do not know where to get in touch with.
देखो, मैं एक चीज आपको बताऊं कि अब वक्त आ चुका है. अगर आज मुझे इस चुनाव से पहले ऐसा सवाल पूछते, मैं शायद जवाब ना आपको दे पाता. पंजाब में जब टेररिज्म था, पुलिस गोली का जवाब गोली देती रही, बहनों के सुहाग उजड़ते रहे, बच्चे यतीम होते रहे, और हम हिंदू, मुस्लिम, सिख, ईसाइयों के खून से बने तिरंगे झंडे वंदे मातरम बोलते हुए ज्वाइन हैंड अगेंस्ट टेररिज्म, वार अगेंस्ट टेररिज्म, हम वो जंग 25 साल पंजाब के अंदर लड़ते रहे. 18 साल, 19 साल, 20 साल के स्टूडेंट होते थे जो हमारे साथ निकलते थे. इतने ब्लास्ट हुए, इतनी गोलियां चली. अगर मेरे से कोई सवाल पूछता है पहला ब्लास्ट कब हुआ, तो मैं फख्र से कहता हूं पहला बम ब्लास्ट आजादी के तिरंगे झंडे की रक्षा करते हुए 82 में हुआ. तो आज वो वक्त आ चुका है. काफी पिछला जो समय गुजरा है 10, 12, 14 साल का, अवेयरनेस नहीं रही थी, हर व्यक्ति अपने अपने काम में बिजी था. आज एक वक्त आ चुका है, मूवी भी उसी टाइम पे रिलीज हो रही है, नरेंद्र मोदी भी उसी टाइम पे बने हैं, जिनके अंदर एक जज्बा है. जैसे अभी बताया, सुबह ही सुन रहा था, ये एक शुरुआत है. तो मैं बिल्कुल आपको ये मैं गारंटी देता हूं कि हमारी ये कोशिश होगी कि जो भी स्कूल से कॉलेज में स्टूडेंट जाता है वो फौज में जरूर जाए, और हम एंटी टेररिस्ट फ्रंट की तरफ से भी पूरे गांव में जाके कैंप लगाने वाले हैं इस पिक्चर को दिखा करके. उसके बाद ये जो मूवी है हम गांव-गांव में जाके दिखाएंगे, जहां कोई नहीं देख पा रहा, कोई शहर में नहीं आ पा रहा, उसके ऊपर भी हम काम करेंगे. कोई ये जो मूवी बनी है ये कोई छोटी सी मूवी नहीं है, ये हमारे लिए एक आदर्श, हमारे लिए एक प्रेरणा, युवा पीढ़ी के लिए एक प्रेरणा होगी. इसको लेके मैं गांव-गांव तक जाऊंगा कि हमें आगे और क्या करना है.
Thank you.